Hi guys, this is a very quick unboxing and review of the DeWalt DXA EPI 140 140 watt power inverter. It has a regular socket, two USB ports. There are few good features about those as long as they are doing what they're designed to do. You plug this one in your car and you can power your tools, you can power everything with 120 volts like electronics, computers, phones, stuff like that. Anything that's up to 140 volts, 140 watts at 120 watts AC. So usually those things are marketed as being right on the money, precise, and later on I find them that either they're not producing the correct amperage, they're not producing the correct voltage, or they're not producing the correct frequency, meaning the correct harmonics of things. So this is a new product for DeWalt. It just came in. You can find it in Home Depot. It just came in. Usually DeWalt don't launch anything on the market unless they're more than 100% sure that it's going to be a successful product. So let's quickly check what are the main functions of this product. So it does have AC power outlet, 120 volts, 140 watts, and I believe this is starting and then continuous drops to 120. It goes just by memory from what I read on the description. It is 140 watts for the first hour, and then it drops to 120 or 130 watts after the hour. The two dual USB charging ports, 5 volts, 3.1 amps, silent operation, DC plug that carport plug that is fused. It has a fuse there. Let's see what else. 14 gauge 3 feet power cord. So there's the AC output, 120 volts, 16 hertz, 1 amp. USB output, 5 volts, 3.1 amps maximum. Total power output, 120 watts and 140 watts for 60 minutes. Manufactured by Bacchus Global. So Bacchus Global is basically the DeWalt manufacturing arm. So let's see, the product comes in this sturdy shell. This package comes in another package, so it is very inconspicuous. And let's see. Okay, two sides. Yep, we said 3 feet cable with a fused connector. So on this type of equipment, it is definitely worth going through the manual. Usually I throw away those. This is a very quick go through manual, instructions manual. So with the DeWalt, anything with DeWalt, normal you go through the manual, especially for electrical stuff. So I'm looking for the fuse. If we have the fuse information, how to keep it. Ideally you store it between 0 and 36 degrees Celsius or 32 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Right. It is a very good, from what I see on the manual itself, it is a very good product. But let's see first how it works, because I really have no use of an inverter that cannot produce what it is designed to produce. So how those work? So you get from the power outlet, you get a harmonic frequency, meaning when you go in, the harmonics are pretty much like a wave, like this. The question is whether this mimics the same thing, which is making it safe for electronics, for rechargeable devices. And usually they are. I mean, even the cheapest one, they're producing a waveform that's known as a modified sine wave. It is stepped waveform that has characteristics similar to the wave shape of the utility power. It is suitable for most AC loads, including a switching power supplies used in electronic equipment, transmitters, and small motors. Protective features. Alright, so it will turn off if your input power goes below 10.5 volts plus minus 0.5 volts DC, or it goes over 16 volts plus or minus 0.5 volts. It will turn off to protect with a thermal shutdown if it gets too hot. So basically what it does, it amps up the power into DC, and then it uses MOSFET. Yeah, I was right. So it uses a MOSFET bridge that converts the high DC voltage into AC voltage with 120 volts and 60 hertz. So this is fine as long as the equipment inside can maintain and can supply. The equipment inside can maintain and supply 120 volts, 60 hertz, and 5 volts here. So let's go and test it on a car. Let's see how it works. Alright, so I am in my car. This is a pretty regular Toyota RAV4. I plugged it into the regular 12-volt plug out there. Right now if you measure it, it doesn't have any power here, and it is turned on by pressing this button. So right now it is powered up, and let's measure it and see. Let's measure it and see what exactly it produces, it outputs. So negative, and let's see positive. 121.1 volts. Fantastic. Alright. So let's see hertz, because it is also an important feature to have the correct frequency inside. So let's see how this goes. Let me try to do that and be able to balance everything. Okay. So open line. 59.71 hertz. Let's see how it moves when I run when I give it a little bit of gas. 59.69. It stays absolutely the same. That is impressive. I can say that this is absolutely impressive. I haven't seen other products that are maintaining, and just for our sake, let's check also voltage. How voltage stays the same when we rev it up. So just plugged it in, and let's see, 121 volts. No changes there. Yep. I don't know if you can hear on the camera, but I'm revving it up to over 2000 RPM. Yeah, it seems to hold the RPMs. Seems to hold the power as it should be. So it is really nice. Let's check the USB port itself. All right. Let's see now. So 5.06 volts, and it doesn't show amps because I need to have a current. I need to have something, a charger or charging equipment like a phone or something like that. Yep, 506 volts. Let's try the other port. 506 volts. Very precise. So I don't see an active fan there. And this product also comes with, comes with the mounting strip. So this is a mounting strip, and there is a set provided with 2 screws and a mounting double-sided tape, and you hang this on your car, and most importantly for service vans. This is a phenomenal product for service vans, where you can use that, and you can hang that in your service van, charge your equipment, charge your phone, pad, or whatever it is. It is a very straightforward piece of equipment. How to use it? It is very simple to use it. It is one good piece of equipment to have. I mean, we need a lot of power, especially if you're working on a computer from your car, or you're using a pad or something that draws power. This combination of having a USB and a regular 120 volts, it's pretty good. Yeah, I believe it is a good product, and also it comes with a very good price. Right now it's on promotion in Home Depot, but I have spent twice the amount of this product on others that are not performing that successfully. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.